Hey guys, it's Kay and this is Cody, my husband. So we're gonna do a jack-o'-lantern carving video, and I know what you're thinking. Hey, isn't it a little late for that, seeing as how today is Halloween? Yes, it is. All of my videos are late, and you should know that by now. But I'm also doing you a huge favor because all of the pumpkins are gonna be on sale. So yeah. Now I've been watching a lot of Home Improvement lately, like a lot of Home Improvement, and I was thinking to myself, you know what Halloween needs? More power. So what we're gonna do is Cody is gonna carve a jack-o'-lantern the normal way, and I'm gonna use power tools, and we'll see how it goes. First things first. Before using and operating power tools, you want to make sure that your hair is up and out of the way. Do you need a hair tie?
I think mine's good.
You're good? Okay. Make sure your hair is up and out of the way. I don't think I have a good grip on this pumpkin. I might have to. I wanted one with a stem for the aesthetic.
I wanted one with a broken stem.
Also for the aesthetic?
For the lack of.
Alright, wish me luck.
This is not.
That goes in easy as butter. Hold on, I gotta.
Not following safe operating practices here.
What do you mean? I'm totally being. You're the one wielding a knife! So, that worked really well, except I've underestimated the rind of this pumpkin, and my hole saw isn't big enough, and I'm kind of disappointed in that. Now, I don't want to use regular pumpkin carving tools, but I'm okay with a screwdriver. Mentally, morally. Oh, I was right there. Darn it. I was so close. I don't know, I feel like you might be better off with the knives. Also, I am doing this on the bottom of the pumpkin because I heard that that will keep your pumpkin fresh longer.
Pumpkin carving tip. When you carve your top out, angle it in so that it actually sits down. If you carve a straight down hole, it will collapse in.
I'm so close to getting this thing out. I think I am gonna use, I don't know, I gotta use a scoop, I think. I might just, I don't know, maybe I'll just like put the drill in there with another hole saw and just like, I don't know.
You have like a shovel?
Oh, I wasn't gonna use it like a shovel, I was gonna use it like a blender. I guess we wouldn't be able to eat the seeds then though, huh? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Right. All that good stuff. Yeah, I totally am using a spoon. Alright, I've already broken my own rules, but I don't think they make a spoon powerful. I mean, I'm still using more power, right? Would Tim Taylor be proud? No. So, the other bonus, I didn't even think about this, of taking the bottom out is it's now much more stable. I was going to use a Dremel to do this, but I only have one Dremel, and I kind of care about it, and I don't want it to be coated in pumpkin. So instead, I am using this reciprocating saw because I have like 3 of those.
I'm scooting over.
And I care a little bit less. I have put zero thought into what I want with this. I also think it's going to be a lot of straight lines. How am I going to hold the pumpkin? Oh, see, I've got weak little arms. It works. For the most part, it works. Let's see if I can use a screwdriver. Guys, it totally works. You know what would have been safer is if you use a reciprocating saw. What? Alright, I definitely have to say, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, underappreciated tool of the jack-o'-lantern game. His one eyebrow looks angry and the other just kind of looks sad.
I'm pleased myself.
We're getting there. Everything's a little slippery, pumpkin-y. It's raining pumpkin. It's like pumpkin sprinkles.
Your mess.
Well, that's why we put the tarp down. Okay.
All I can say is +1 on not power tools for mess.
I'll give you that one. I will give you that one.
+1 on not power tools for control.
I'm not gonna give you that one. I'm not. And I'll tell you why. Here's why.
Oh, I know. There are people who can do amazing things with.
No, it's Oh no!
Did you do something bad?
Look at how derpy. He was supposed to be scary, and he's just. He was supposed
He's
to be
having a good time.
scary. He's not scary at all. Alright, I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit.
Alright.
That's all. I might give some texture to that. I'm going to try to give texture to the eyebrows.
You have a knife?
Okay, so I've unplugged all of our power tools because I'm done using them, and that's safe. So, one final step after you've finished your pumpkins if you want them to last a long time, because you know it's not like it's past Halloween. So citric acid helps to keep things from browning. So I'm just gonna rub some all over all of the cut-in surfaces on the pumpkin and then on the inside of the pumpkin too. Lemon juice would work. I'm using lime juice. Anything with citric acid, really. Fun fact, if you have any paper cuts or anything like that, if you're not sure if you have any paper cuts and you get lime juice in your hands, you find out really quickly. It is the best way, or well, the quickest way to find out if you have paper cuts. Yeah, this is how I thought I'd spend tonight. I'm going to keep it a pumpkin. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? After all of that time and effort, this is my pumpkin. He has eyebrows and a smile.
This is Harry the Rumpkin.
The Frumpkin.
He's got his toupee,
His toupee.
his good grin, and some nice eyebrows going on. He's got these cat ears for whatever reason.
Well, he's dressed up. It's Halloween.
And you can't really tell from the front.
He's got dentures.
He's got dental.
Yeah, I see that. Well, this has just been dandy.